My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called OceanSpy. OceanSpy is a ransomware that basically targets many Windows computers these days. OceanSpy ransomware is able to damage the files. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is. And I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. It immediately encrypts files and appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background and it reveals the ransom note titled as Ocean Corp. You should not pay the ransom and you should not waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start researching the computer with its help. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the start scan button, and then after you do that, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. This is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. With premium license, you will have the anti-ransomware feature that helps to protect your data ahead of time, and this way your data will always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.